Well, good morning from Uncle Keiths. Looks like we got ourselves a Citreon DS3 in here, mate.
Yeah, indeed.
What are we doing on this then, man?
Do some paintwork.
Did a full hit, AB, apart from the roof.
Yeah, not the tailgate. Not the roof, not the tailgate.
No.
I think the tailgate's okay. Yeah, we're just sort of freshening it up, really. New front bumper. Refurb the rear bumper.
This is the new front bumper.
A few little marks and bits around the car that the customer's not happy with. Overly, nothing really.
No, but
Drastically wrong with it.
get it sprayed up and
Yeah,
get it in the oven.
yeah, that's it. We're just cleaning up. There's a few little bits in, but this is just where they cut this to fit body kit and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm just cleaning up around them holes just as a precaution, just to make sure they're okay. But the actual body of the vehicle's
Tidy.
tidy, yeah.
Just tired. Tidy but tired.
There's just a few little things here and there, but it's not really, yeah.
Not-
I think just a fresh coat down, it'll just
Yeah,
bring it
fantastic.
back up to life.
All right, well, I'll come and see you when something's in a bit of primer or something.
Yeah, later on today. I think.
All right, I'll see you in a bit. Ooh, I've walked back into Uncle Keiths Paintshop and I've been so busy, the bumpers are already done. Look at them.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
They're absolutely beautiful, mate. Oh, lovely, lovely. Yeah, so that's the bumpers for the DS3 done, isn't it?
Yeah, they're the bumpers, and then we're going to do the car itself.
Do the car itself, which is already in the oven. Awesome. Okay, so as Keith says, this was actually a brand new bumper. So that must be an easier task to do if somebody brings you a new bumper.
Yeah, so in primer, ready to go.
Yeah. Okay.
This is a second-hand used bumper, but
A very good quality. Yeah.
quality used bumper. So that's had very little work on it as well.
So pretty straightforward then, we're saying on these.
Absolute piece in gloss black.
Gloss. Yeah.
Goes in the middle of the front bumper.
Okay, gorgeous. All right. Okay. Well, bumpers are done. She's in the oven. So
The areas have already been primed. Like little bits just around the arches, a few bits. Nothing major.
yeah.
So we've already primed that, flatted it.
So this is black primer.
Yeah.
Okay.
The actual black primer, I don't know if you'll see it, is here. That's a bit of black primer.
Oh, yeah.
This is the original black of the car here, that's the black primer.
Oh, got
Obviously
ya.
it's very hard to...
Yeah, the two different blacks.
So yeah, then we flat it all down. Now this is ready to put base coat on to start colouring up.
So base coat. Now what colour is the base coat?
It's EXL.
EXL.
Citreon.
So is that black?
Obsidian black.
Obsidian
It's
black.
actually, it looks really great. We'll show you outside in the sunlight after. It
Yeah.
looks black, like jet black in here, but it's not.
It's got a bit
some
of
green pearl in it, some blue pearl in it.
bit of green pearl and
And
blue.
outside it's sort of,
Pops.
yeah.
So are we gonna be able to see this go on? So if it's black onto black.
You see it in here.
Okay, well we'll see.
I couldn't see it when I painted the bumpers yesterday, but then you've got the bumpers outside now.
Yeah.
They're just exploding.
Oh right.
So what we're going to do is, we'll just base around the car, and then we'll get on the bonnet.
Okay, let's do it. Just whip
Start
round
at the
it.
back corner.
Where do you want me, Keith? Get covered in paint? I'd probably be better to follow you, I know. I'm gonna follow it. Right then. Don't get it on my new vans.
Oh, mate. About 1.5 bar.
1.5 bar. That's virtually a day.
On your shoes.
Right, my vans. Well, this bit. I'm only joking.
No, here, this piece here, this is the original colour.
Oh, right,
This
okay.
is original, so what we do is finished before there, so that will still match there.
Ah, I see. Well done.
Nah, you thought you were cool.
I did. Oh, very good. See, people will be asking that. That's our £3 Only took him 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Explain, this is a water-based base
Yeah,
coat.
this is water-based base coat. So we've sprayed a coat on. This dries by heat.
It's warm in here, mate.
It needs air movement as well.
Oh, okay.
That's what this device is.
Okay, what's that then? There's nothing in it.
Obviously, you put the airline onto it. There's a split about halfway down.
Yeah.
It blows air out, but it pulls the warm air from the oven through it as well.
Oh, okay, got you, okay.
So, we're going to blow this dry
Yeah.
right before your very eyes.
Right before your eyes, okay, so I can see it's wet.
Yeah. It's dry around the outside.
Yeah, but I can see it's wet in the
See
middle.
it's wet in the middle.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this bit like this. Oh, that's nice to warm up my belly. Fantastic, Keith.
Ready for another coat?
Well, I never know what that is. It just looks like, because if you look inside it, it just looks like there's nothing in there, mate. Very clever. Very, very clever.
Not just a pretty face, mate.
Me or you? Come on then, show me what's going on. So we're back at Uncle Keith's. Turn the light off.
Oh, it's just on bait.
And it's on bait.
Oh, you're brave enough. Lights. Let's turn on spray, so it turns down, so it pulls down. Come on.
Oh wow, Keith.
Citreon DS3. Lacquered.
Poor blimey, governor.
2 coats of EXL.
EXL, is that the paint coat?
Yeah, that's the main coat.
So 2 coats of that.
2 coats of Cyrox clear coat over the top of the Cyrox base coat. I think it looks beautiful.
It looks phenomenal, mate. I reckon the Evo look alright, that colour, mate. Yeah, I can see a bit of grey. It's almost like a bit of a grey when
You can see it. Where's my daylight torch?
yeah. I don't know whether I can start the heat in here. Keith, it's a bit warm in here, mate.
It's cooling down.
Is
It's
it?
cooled down.
Oh, yes. That looks phenomenal, mate. Oh. Yeah, well, I look forward to seeing it being assembled again. Yes, mate. Beautiful. Nice colour, ain't it?
Yeah. Crack-a-lackin'.
Crack-a-lack. Give rock and roll to it.
Oh, I watched that. Do a bit of one.
Beautiful. Look at these sexy bits. God gave rock and roll to you. Gave rock and roll to you. Gave rock and roll. I'm singing. Stop singing then. But there we go. Uncle Keith has completed his task and it looks stunning. And we don't see a lot of DS3s around Dynodaze, but this one is very, very nice. Certainly now that Keith has completed his task. If we had a little bit of sunshine this morning, that'd be popping. But like Keith says, there's a bit of green and a bit of blue pearlescent in this. So in some lights it's black, and in some lights it's almost like a metallic grey. But it is very, very nice. Hello, Richard.
Hello.
It's very nice, isn't it, Richard?
Quite like the orange.
Yeah.
Makes it up a bit.
Got a bit of orange in there as well, look. Yeah, so Customs actually, on this occasion, coming to reassemble it himself. But there. That's beautiful, Keith.
Yeah.
Any comments?
Yeah, I just like...
When you say reassemble, he brought it disassembled and he'll take it away
Yeah,
and then
that's
reassemble
right.
it.
The customer stripped everything down himself. We've just done the
He's done the paintwork.
immediate paintwork, and then he's going to put it all back together. And
He's very capable, is our Jamie.
yeah, I'd like to see it all built back up and trims on and
Get some photos.
mirrors, handles and stuff. That'd be nice to see it all complete.
Got a bit of dust on it, Richard's just commented, so we're going to de-dust it. There we go. Thank you, Keith. Great work, as per usual.
Boy, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.